I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up two-factor authentication 2FA on Kraken is a smart move to enhance your account security. Here's how to do it step by step. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Start by logging into your Kraken account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the account settings. Step 2. Go to security settings. In account settings, find the security section. This is where you can manage your 2FA settings. Step 3. Enable 2FA. Look for the option to enable 2FA. You may have the choice between using an authenticator app or SMS. Choose the method that suits you best. Step 4. Set up your authenticator app. If you chose an authenticator app, scan the QR code displayed on the screen with your app. This will link your account to the app. Step 5. Verify and save. Enter the code generated by your authenticator app to verify the setup. Make sure to save any backup codes provided, as they can help you regain access if you lose your device. Remember, if you don't save your backup codes, you might find yourself locked out of your account if you lose access to your authenticator app. Setting up 2FA is a crucial step for securing your account, so take your time and follow these steps carefully. Happy trading!